The Libido Doctor is in.
Hello and welcome to Libido Doc. I wanted to reintroduce you to the Libido kit and show you what's in it. We've been having a lot of orders, so I'm taking this opportunity to show you what's in a package. This is a box, as you can see there, and I'm going to show you what it's in the box. Obviously, this box is not packed yet, but I wanted to show you the different elements. We have a booklet, comes with a booklet, comes with a flavored syrup and aphrodisiac tea, 2 packages when you order the Libido kit. It comes with a body stocking, and I'm going to show you how it looks like on a mannequin. There. So now you only get the body stocking. Everything else you can add, like the hip belt, the bra, you can order that. You can add it. The accessories like the bracelets or the ankle bands, you can also order them, okay? Great, there you go. And then these are all the other elements you will find in the Libido kit. We have a shea butter soap, that heart shape, that at the front. You can pick between that or the rose soap that's in the back over there. The honey, the flavored syrup that we just saw, I called it Oh Honey, is in this box. That's how you will get it with the tea, the 2 bags of tea. You have, we have different flavors. You can see the ginger, hibiscus, mango, passion fruit, and rose. We have a linen spray for your bed sheets. We have a scented candle right here for the light in your bedroom and also the smell. We have one vaginal tightening gel. This one, you can use it 30 minutes before the intercourse. And what it's going to do is just going to give a super duper interesting tingling sensation to your husband. And it's just going to be crazy. I'm telling you, you should try it. Now, this is the moisturizer. I called it moist, wet, and warm. This, you can use it to lubricate the vulva when you're ready for the full action, meaning penetration. So behind that, you see what's called My Flowers perfume. Is a private perfume that you can use on your underwear or your pubic hair. Here you have what I call baby love candy. I designed it with my beloved in mind, and it's very precious to me. So you can use this in 2 ways. The first one, you just have it in your mouth, and when you are kissing, you exchange it. Really cool. Or you can use it in your tea and drink it 30 to 45 minutes before the foreplay. What it's going to do is just going to give you a sweet taste all over your body. And if in your foreplay you play with your tongue, you know, your intimate parts are going to be sweet. Behind it, you have the pea septa oil. Is a small amount of oil, but very concentrated, that you can use to massage your husband, give him a hand job, and it's also going to stimulate him. I'm already telling you. Okay. We have the rose oil. Here in the back, I call it My Flowers cleanser. This you can actually use daily after your shower, and you just use it to moisturize your vulva. All right, so this is what you get when you order the Libido kit. All this plus what you see here.